Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable or disable wake screen for notifications in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Go to settings. Then go to notifications. Go to notifications and here turn on the button against wake screen for notifications. That means when you receive new notifications at the time, if your phone screen is off, then you will have your phone screen turned on. Okay, that is when phone screen is off. Meanwhile, if you receive notifications, new notifications, then phone screen will wake up. Okay, see here, I lock my phone and phone screen is now off. Okay, now if I receive any notification, then phone screen will wake up. See here, see here, I received a message, so message is showing as notifications. So at the time phone screen is wake up. Okay, so this is called enabling wake screen for notification. Suppose if you would like to disable this feature, just to turn off this button, wake screen for notification. Now your phone screen is off. When your phone screen is off, even if you receive any new notification, then you will not get any screen, that is you will not get your phone screen turned on. Okay, I received a notification. I have received notification sound only, but phone screen is not wake up. Okay, because settings is now turned off. Okay, so in this way you can easily enable or disable wake screen for notifications in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.